Yeah, we're about 2 miles in now on our just starting the Old Loggers Pass. It's a 27-mile loop in northern Pennsylvania, up near Williamsport, kind of.
Yep, little north of Williamsport. Not too bad. We got a perfect day today. It is absolutely
Was it like 8 degrees
gorgeous
when we pulled into the parking
at
lot?
one point it said 6 degrees on the drive here.
Yep.
But it does not feel like it. It's probably about
15.
more like 15.
Yeah, with the sun out there.
Yeah. But this is the warmest 15 degrees I've ever felt. It's not too bad. Old Loggers Path. Yep. Yeah, hiking Pickle. Doing what he does best. Hiking. It's a sweet trail. There are a lot of campsites around here. Oh yeah, chairs. Are those rock chairs? Oh, nice. No one's even walked on this yet.
Oh, man.
This is all untouched.
Yeah. That's nice, huh?
Yeah. Careful. Is that gonna work?
I think so.
Or should we go up farther?
You gotta go on.
Oh yeah, we should probably go up top here. Go cut around. We should just go up here and go across. Yeah. The worst of it's right where we're at here, but I don't know. I'm trying to think of this. I don't know. I guess I could step on that one and then I can get this one. I don't know about that one. All right. Yeah. I did get a little bit of water down my shoe, but not a lot. It's just island hopping right now. There's nowhere to cross. The trail is actually way up over there. Yeah. Not that far, but I mean, we had to come quite a ways just out of the way. Yeah. So now we gotta find our way back to the trail. Yeah. I'm feeling pretty good right now though.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. It's beautiful out here now. Here we go. Here's a lookout.
Wow. Damn, you don't see any houses in this area.
Nothing.
It's weird.
We're the only ones out here. How many miles are we in right now? Almost 16.
Almost 16, yeah.
All right. And we got 11 to go tomorrow. And a little bit, just a little bit left today. We made it. Can't really see it, but my headlamp is so dim. Look at that. I need to swap the batteries out, but anyway, we got a fire going. And luckily, can you shine your light in here? I can't even see it with the video. There we go. Thanks, man. Yeah, we have a lean-to, so this is going to be very nice. So
Go run lean-to.
we went 18 miles to get here, so yeah, this is definitely worth it. Well, clearly we survived the night. We made it happen. Luckily we made it to the lean-to and had some shelter for the night. Got a little bit of freezing rain overnight, but hopefully it's not going to be too bad. I think we'll be all right.